I think I want to move from San Antonio to Houston. Me and Rosa were talking about it. Later this week, I'm gonna go look at some apartments. Alright guys, Rosa did this to my car.
I think these are a 10 out of 10, and these are like a 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. I think this is like an updated video telling y'all everything we got in the works. Welcome back to the Barboza show. Alright, yo guys, we're gonna be doing a birria taco mukbang.
Birria.
Birria.
Say birria.
Birria?
Birria.
Birria.
Yeah.
Is that right? I'm gonna show y'all an up close HD version of the food, right? Here, I'll even turn on the flash for you guys. I've never really, actually I've had these once and I didn't really like them, so we're gonna try them again. So this is mine. I got a quesadilla and then here's a little
Quesabirria.
Quesa what?
Quesabirria.
Quesabirria, right? So I got a quesadilla and then the sauce, and Rosa just got the tacos. Delicioso.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Cebolla.
Cebolla.
And consomé.
And consomé. Alright, so I never really had these, so I want to see you eat it first. You just dip them in?
Yep.
Take a bite.
Wait.
Okay. Dip it. So tell them why we got these.
We got this because I was craving them last night.
Yeah, she was on Instagram, right?
I was watching people eat on Instagram.
Yeah, and she was like, can we get birria tacos tomorrow? I was like, yo, if you know what you want to eat for the next day, that's perfect. Because usually when I ask you what do you want to eat,
I say I don't know.
Exactly, so if you knew what you wanted to eat the next day, I'm all for it. But I'm gonna try this for the first time, guys. Maybe I should put some lemon to mask up the taste. Lemon makes everything taste better. Lemonade.
Is it good?
This thing is really good with the lemon.
I think that's the same shit as the tacos.
Does that have cheese in it? There's cheese in it?
Yep.
Oh, well, I mean, yeah, low key then. There's more tortilla. But no, this is really, really good, guys. Y'all should go try it. I mean, I would shout this place out, but you know what? We're gonna shout them out. But if y'all go, make sure y'all tell them that I sent you. What's the name?
It's called TJ Birria y Mas. There's one in Stafford and there's one in the Heights if you live in Houston.
In Houston. So talking about Houston, guys. So I've been here for how many days now? Oh, wait, we gotta talk about what else we got. So we also got lemonade and horchata. This has chamoy inside. So talking about Houston, I've been here for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've been here for 5 days. I think after 5 days, I mean, I've been here for, what was the other time? I was here for like 6 days last time. I think I'm liking Houston. I think I might want to move from...
Damn, is this my second one?
Yes.
What the f? I thought it was on my first one still.
I think I want to move from San Antonio to Houston. Me and Rosa were talking about it. Later this week, I'm gonna go look at some apartments. I think I already told y'all we're gonna do a vlog about it. Or I'm gonna do a vlog about it.
Because I might be in school.
So I'm gonna be solo. And we're gonna be going and touring them, hopefully. We can check them out. I've been DMing some realtors and stuff so they could show and find apartments for me. And then I'm gonna book a tour. So that's the moving scenario. The next thing I wanna talk about is, I don't know what I titled this video, but basically as we were going to get the birria tacos, what happened?
He crashed his car.
Alright guys, Rosa did this to my car. There was a gate that my car scraped against and it cut through the whole side of the car. And it looks kind of bad. It looks kind of bad. You know, I took another L today. So I think that means I gotta get a new car. I think that's what it really means. And a lot of y'all might be saying like, yo, you just got the new car, the Chrysler 300. Well, that's my brother's daily car, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's his car. I know my goal is to get, I think I said in another video too, my goal is to get another car next year, but I might have to get it sooner. Do me a favor, comment some cars that y'all can see me driving. What kind of car do you think I should get? Like, what do you think I look good in to get?
Mercedes.
Mercedes? An AMG?
I don't know, just any Mercedes. I don't know about cars.
AMG 63.
Do you want to try this before I finish it? Because this is my last one.
Yeah, we'll try.
There wasn't even no...
There was no meat.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Right.
The other side. But a big bite.
A big bite?
Yeah. Guys, someone said on his TikTok that we look alike. Go like this. I don't think we look alike.
You don't think so?
Mm-mm.
Shoot, I need a water, man. This is too sweet.
And someone said we have the same nose. And that mine's is fatter.
What do you think it is? I mean, do you think it has the same nose? I don't think your nose is fatter than mine.
From the front, I think yours is like skinnier than mine.
We also got some gummy bears.
Oh yeah, I got gushers.
With little chamoy all on them. I think I'm gonna take a break from the quesadilla. And get some of these.
Last bite.
Damn.
I'm already done.
You are hungry. Bro, gummy bears are so good. You forgot the hot sauce.
That shit was good.
You know my favorite candy used to be gummy bears?
Sure.
Like if
Toys too.
I always get gummy bears.
When he was little, all he used to eat was gummy bears. Like we used to go to the store and all he would ask for is gummy bears.
I used to love gummy bears. And then I just stopped. I just feel like I'm eating plastic. Sweet plastic.
Rate this 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
I mean,
for you, it's 10 out of 10?
Out of 10.
I'm not gonna lie. I like this better than that. So I'll rate it a 9 out of 10.
What about this one?
This, I didn't really taste the meat. Like, I feel like there's more flavor in this. You want some? Come on.
I'm full.
Okay.
Well, actually, yeah. I've been waiting for you to ask me.
Are you serious? Well, I didn't know. There's some, oh my God. Closed mouths don't get fed. Have you ever heard of that? What does it mean? Closed mouths don't get fed. If you don't ask for nothing, that's right. Like, if you don't ask,
that's good.
It's good, right? Do you think it's better than tacos? It is, right? Oh shit, no, yeah, man. If y'all go there, make sure y'all try the what?
Quesabirria.
Quesabirria.
I think these are a 10 out of 10, and these are like a 15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. Yo, low-key, next time, I want to try everything. Like, we already tried this. We can scratch this off. But I want, guys, they have tortas. Do they have burgers?
I think they do. They have a lot of stuff.
So I want to try everything. Excuse me.
And y'all should try this. Sometimes they have the cucumber lemonade, but today they didn't have it. They have the strawberry one, but ask for chamoy inside. It's really good. Rate this.
I like cucumber waterberry or lemonade.
The cucumber one was really good.
In LA, I would always get, I was living on a budget. There's this Mexican spot down the street, like 6 minutes. And they would be open every day, and they would have like 5 mini tacos for like $6.
For real?
Yeah, and then I would get cucumber and lemonade. And you could see the lemon stuff and the cucumbers inside of it.
Yeah.
Best thing ever. Oh, yo guys, we're filming this the day before, but tomorrow, I got a special video for y'all. We're gonna start getting into the Christmas spirit. Y'all already saw the gingerbread. We did the decorating. Tomorrow is a special video that y'all need to turn your post notifications on. All I'm gonna say is, I'm turning into Santa Claus. I'm turning into Santa Claus this year. Oh, yo guys, another thing I wanna announce is I think me and Rosa are gonna be spending New Year's together.
Yeah, we are.
I don't know why, but I just wanted to announce that.
We're gonna go see the fireworks at Kima.
At Kima. I think this is like an updated video telling y'all everything we got in the works. During the week, you know, Rosa's busy and stuff.
School, cheerleader. Sometimes the gym. I don't go to the gym anymore. Actually, I need to pay my debt. I want like $40.
For real? Damn. I haven't been to the gym in a long. Actually, I'm lying. I've been to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 weeks. No, yeah, 2 weeks. Yo, and another thing for all the guys that watch my videos. Yo, guys, y'all see this hair right here? This is the worst hair I've had since I first ever got my hair done. This is the worst. Absolute worst.
I think it looks good to me. Like,
I'm glad you think it looks good, but this is the worst my hair has ever looked. Like, you know, in the back of my hair, it's straight. Or I don't know if that's just from not like putting it in the rods or...
Yeah, I was gonna ask you last time, like why is it straight here?
I don't know if they forgot them or what, but my hair is bad. I don't know what to do. So I'm not gonna show y'all because I don't want to put it on camera, but my hair's kind of messed up. Yo guys, I'm only here for 10 more days, so comment 10 video ideas you want me to do, all right? They need to be banger YouTube video ideas. I only have 10 more days here. I think we should try to film at least 2 videos every day, because then that's 20 videos. You think we can do it? 2 videos a day.
Yeah.
All right guys, so do me that favor. Comment 10 video ideas. But yo guys, if you haven't yet, do me this wonderful favor and turn on your post notifications. It helps me and it helps you so you know when I post and you can watch another video. Make sure you watch a full video, never skip any ads. But I love y'all. We're out.
Hi.
Bye.
I'm gonna go wash my teeth because it smells like onions.